की वीडियो हमारी कैनवा का ट्यूटोरियल है। इसमें मैं आपको सिखाऊंगा कि कैनवा पर कैसे डिज़ाइनिंग करते हैं, फाइल्स कैसे क्रिएट करते हैं और अपलोडिंग्स एंड एक्सपोर्ट कैसे करते हैं। तो हाउ टू डिज़ाइन अ लोगो इन कैनवा। सो मेक अ फाइल of logos. So we will go in the Canva application. You can download it too by the Play Store or App Store, or directly go from the website. First of all, we will learn how to make a file in Canva. So this is the interface of the page of the Canva landing page. Click to create a design and then click on logos. Okay, so now our file is ready और अब हम इसमें एडिटिंग्स एंड लोगो डिज़ाइन कर सकते हैं। तो ये पेज होता है डिज़ाइन का। इन हेयर वी गॉट ऑल द लोगोज एंड टेम्पलेट्स रेडी मेड on the Canva application, and after it there is an elements. In elements we got mockups, shapes, designs and all the raw materials that will be used in designing the logo. So first I will give you the demo design that how to make or change the logo. So let's take this logo. This here is a partnership business logo. So let's say my business name is Nick Design Agency. So first of all we will change the text of this. We will write here Nick, and the slogan should be Design Agency. Yeah, we got this. Okay, so this white area is called whiteboard. This white area is called the artboard, and below it there is a box of add page. If you will click this, there will be another page loaded for us in which we can add more files and more designs of one logo. And if I will click this, so there is a table appeared on this which has many features like text, the size of the text, the color of the text, bold, italic, placement, position, transparency, effects and animation. So we will start from the basic first, and this is the font section. If I will click here, the types of the font appear and I can select any one that I want. Like we will take the most famous and the most recommended font of Canva, Montserrat. Okay, we will just take enter. It is good, I like that one. Now once we have changed the text, now we can change the size of the text by clicking on this plus icon or doing manually like that, like this. And after it there is an option of the text color. We can also change the text color by using these, like let's take, I will take the black one, and we will also choose the text after it. And there is also an option that we can change the color of the artboard as well. Like if I want the artboard to be blue, I will make it blue, and then after it I will change the color of my logo, like we will do black. Yeah, now it's looking good. Yeah, it's looking good. Nick Agency. And we can add other elements as well in this logo, like these are the shapes, these are the raw shapes that we can add in our artboard and logos and design. I will teach you in the poster thing. Like this is a circle and I drag and drop it here. Also change the color of the shapes as well. Like I will also take it as in a black form and do like this. Now there are several shapes and designs. You can choose it according to your niche. Like there are some niche like a baking store or a cupcake store or a clothing brand as well. And there are logos for educations, university and clothing brand, photo studio and many more. We can also search the templates, like I want about tech, so I will write tech here and it will give me the tech niche logos. These are also good, we can make it also. So now we are moving to the poster side. We are making a poster for like digital marketing agency. I will teach you how to make it. So this is the poster layout and we will edit it by our own requirement, what the thing we want in this poster. This is it for today. Hope you like the video and learn something from this tutorial, and the other things I will teach you in the part 2, so stay tuned for part 2. I will see you to another video. Bye.